Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today I want to share with you my best cake for the entire year. I love lemon, and when you mix together lemon and blackberries, it is a perfect combination. And if you like more recipe like this, let me know in your comments right below. So let's get started.
Preheat the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and flour round cake pan. I used coconut oil melted and rice flour. In a bowl, combine 3 entire eggs at room temperature and 3 grated lemon zest. You can use any type of lemon, but for this recipe I used yellow lemon. Using a whisk, mix to dissolve the eggs. Cut the lemons and freshly squeeze the juice. And for this recipe, I will add more or less a half cup freshly squeezed lemon juice. If you like more citrus taste, you can pour a little more. And stir until just mixed. Add 1 cup brown sugar, a half cup coconut oil melted, and mix these ingredients until well combined. Add a half cup 2% milk, for this recipe I will use all-purpose flour gluten-free, and I really like to use this kind of brand, red mill, but of course you can use any kind of all-purpose baking flour gluten-free, and slowly add 2 cups of this gluten-free all-purpose flour and mix well to dissolve any clump flour on the batter. Because we are using gluten-free flour, we are going to add 1 teaspoon Xantana Gome to make the batter softer. Add 1 tablespoon. And this is the consistency of the batter. Add 1 tablespoon baking powder. Slowly mix all these ingredients to incorporate. Now I take 1 hand blackberry. Also you can use blueberries or strawberries, or don't use this kind of fruits, but I really like mix together blueberries or blackberries on the lemon cake and carefully mix. And this is the consistency of the batter. Pour in a cake pan and bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick or cake tester inserted in the center of the cake comes out clean. But as you see, I used just a knife. After that, remove it from the oven and allow to cool for about 10 minutes. Using a silicone spatula to help the cake to get it off of the cake pan, this way the cake will easily get out. As you guys can see, the cake is very soft and the taste is really, really delicious. I hope that you enjoy and see you guys next time.